Tonight we're making savoury saffron rice. I will write the recipe below the video in the description as always. Let's do this.
Oh yeah, mate! Woo! Welcome to Aussie Girl Can Cook. Better get you some. Oh yeah! Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. Now, saffron, it is grown here in Australia, across the ditch in Tassie. The little red threads are what come out of flowers and they have to be hand picked, and that is why it's so expensive. I bought the Mackenzie's brand from Coles for $15. Saffron has a lot of health benefits, including losing weight, and it can also help blokes to get it up. You can't use too much because it can give you guts aches, amongst a lot of other things. So I make saffron rice two different ways. Tonight I'll do what's called the savoury, and next week I'll do the plain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use half the jar for tonight and half for next week. So I'm going to count the threads out so you know exactly how much to use. We're going to need a litre of chicken stock, a couple of cups of long grain rice, roughly 20 grams of butter, a small onion chopped nice and small, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm going to chop my onion up nice and small, and then we need a nice big frying pan. Has to be a nice heavy one with a lid. Alright, medium heat, we want roughly 20 grams of butter with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Throw our onion in. We want to cook this for a couple of minutes till see-through. Once our onion is see-through, we now want to add our 23 strands of saffron. Toss them around for 30 seconds or so. 30 seconds later, we now want to add our rice, and we would just want to flick it around for 1 minute and get it all completely coated. Oh mate, that smell coming out already is awesome. Okay, 1 minute later, it's all coated. Now we want to put in our 1 litre of stock. And once we put it all in, we want to bring it up to a nice gentle simmer. Alright, once we've got it simmering nice and gently, we now want to put the lid on it, and we want to simmer it for roughly 20 minutes. Now if you want to add some peas, at about the 10-minute mark, you can throw in up to a cup of frozen peas, mix them around, stick the lid back on and keep on cooking. And I forgot to say, I would give it a stir roughly every 5 minutes. Alright, we're 10 minutes into it. I just took the lid off and turned it off for a minute just so you could see. I couldn't tell you what the smell is, but it smells freaking amazing. So I'm going to add my roughly a cup of peas now. I'll mix it through really well, put the lid back on, turn it back on and keep on going. Oh, I miss this so much. Another 10 minutes later, so 20 minutes all up. Mate, I am so excited. Okay, now at this stage, if there's still a little bit of liquid in there, you want to leave the lid off now, and we can just stir it through for a couple more minutes until we get all the liquid out the bottom. Look at that, it's perfect. Oh, give it a good mix through. Fluff it up with a fork and serve her up any how you want, with anything you want. I'm going to smash it on its own. Well, there you go, lovelies. How easy was that? The camera's not picking up how yellow it is for some reason, but it is a beautiful yellow colour. Smells and tastes amazing. You have got to give it a crack. Your whole family is going to love it. Do not give leftovers to your dog. Saffron is really bad for dogs. Thank you so very much for watching. Have yourselves a lovely night, and I'll catch you all on Thursday. Toodles!